Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch assembled China LED TV. Here in this TV, as usual, the complaint is sound okay, no picture fault due to backlight related faults. While checking here we confirmed that problem is 100% with LED backlight strips. There are total 2 LED backlight strips are there here, each individual LED is of 6 volt. While dealing with backlight related faults, instead of replacing the damaged backlights, it's always recommended to replace entire backlight with new LED strips for avoiding future repetitions in that same complaint. So here we take 2 new same model backlights with bend type model. So that's it, now the backlights are replaced successfully. Now the work is done. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.